Hey everybody, welcome into this very special video for Mazako Guitars. It's a big one because we just passed 100 subscribers for the channel. And, I've been doing this for just right around going on a year. And I have to say, I did not realize it was going to be so hard to get the first 100 subscribers. So I know that I'm not putting out a new video every week. I kind of just do them a little bit as I go along, just when I can, and that's all I'm doing. I'm not trying to be a big-time YouTuber here or anything like that. I just like to make these videos of these interesting projects when they come. And so sometimes I get more videos recorded than I have time to edit, but I just get them out as soon as I possibly can. And here we are now. We're at our first 100 subscribers. And so to all of you who have subscribed, I just want to say thank you so much for your support. And if you are watching this and you haven't subscribed yet, then maybe take a look at yourself. Ask yourself, why not? And just go ahead, hit that button. It's right down there. But anyway, I just wanted to say thank you, take a couple of minutes to express my appreciation for everyone who has supported me through this. It's been a lot of fun. And also, I just wanted to take this moment too. You may notice my surroundings a little bit different than what they usually look like, and that's because right now I am filming from the future site of the Mazako Guitars workshop, the workshop number 1. So where we are right now, actually, we are outside my house. I'm just going to flip this around. We are outside my house, and this is great because it's just a sidewalk into the building. So this was the original storage shed. Please excuse the mess. We are under construction, but here's what we've got. It's just a nice little space here that I am fixing up. This was pretty much just all studs and not really much electricity. So I've got this all insulated now, the walls and up in the rafters. I'm going to keep the ceiling open so I can have storage space up there. But we dug a trench from the house so that we have an underground line, electrical. I have 2 circuits so I can run all kinds of stuff out here, even 220 if I want to. So anyway, this is going to be it. We still got some work to do in here and got to clear out some of this stuff that doesn't belong in here, but then get it all going. And this will be the workshop where I'm going to be doing guitar building and things like that. So we still have the other shop over across town where I work with my dad. He helps me there. So the shop at his house, the place I've always called the official Mazako Guitars workshop, still going to have stuff going on over there. Big tools like the big table saws and the big planers and the spray booth. Most of that stuff is still going to be going on over there. But this is going to help out a lot because I haven't had a whole lot of time with doing repairs for Palin and doing stuff like that to focus on building new guitars. And so I look forward to just being 15 steps from my back door to be able to come out here and do a little bit of work. You can get a lot of work done in as little time as 30 minutes to an hour, but when you have to factor in 30 minutes of drive time every time you want to do that, it kind of puts a damper on that. But I look forward to getting this done and to being able to get a whole lot more work done. Anyway, that's all for now. It's just first 100 subscribers, thank you, and also a preview of the new shop. So as soon as we get some more progress on this, I'll keep you updated, and when it's all done, we can have a full shop tour. Thanks for watching if you've made it this far. If you haven't already, please subscribe and share, like, notifications, all the stuff you know what to do. You're not new to YouTube. All right. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time.